Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this week I'll be showing you how to create this really pretty fall makeup look. And I'm so excited about how this turned out. I love the soft smoky brown eye with the deep brick red lip color. It's what I would consider to be the quintessential fall makeup look. And really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super amazing and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing you're going to do is apply whatever primer, foundation, and concealer you'd like. To create our soft smoky brown eye, I'll be using the Urban Decay Naked palette, but I know this is discontinued now, so if you're looking for something similar color-wise, I'd suggest the Makeup Revolution Iconic 1 palette. First, I'm going to apply the shade Naked all over my lids, so I have a nice base to work off of. And then I'm going to take the shade Buck and use that to add some definition to my crease. This is also going to help to create a softer transition when we apply more shadow on later. Next, to add some shimmer and sparkle, I'm going to take the shade Toasted and apply that all over my lids. And then to really smoke things out, I'm going to take the shade Hustle and apply that over the areas where I applied the shade Buck earlier. And don't forget to make sure to really blend. You want to make sure there are no harsh edges. I'm also going to apply this under my eyes a little bit like so. And then to brighten things up, I'll be taking the shade Sin and applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. So even though liquid liner would look amazing with this look, I want to keep things on the softer side. So instead, I'm going to take the shade Creep and apply that to my lash line, specifically on the outer halves. For mascara, I'll be using Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, and I absolutely love this stuff. It adds so much volume and definition, and it's also buildable, so as long as you don't apply too much, you don't have to worry about your lashes looking too clumpy or weird. To fill in my brows, I'll be using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I'm just going to fill in any sparse areas and add some definition to my arch and tail. And I also want to fill in the inner portion of my brows a bit because the hair there for me is a bit finer. Now I'm going to go in with Eyelar's Brow Amplifier and set my brows in place as well as add a bit more volume. So to set my foundation and concealer and give myself more of a matte look, I'll be applying CoverGirl's Clean Press Powder. And I'm specifically going to focus this on areas where I tend to get more oily as the day progresses, so that'd be my T-zone and under eye area. Now I'll be doing a bit of contouring and I'll be using Benefit's Hoola Bronzer. I'll be applying this right along the lower ridge of my cheekbones. And then I'll just blend it out using a big fluffy brush. And then for blush, I'll be using Milani's Romantic Rose. Then to create a really natural looking flush, I'll be applying this to the apples of my cheeks and then pulling it outwards. And now it's time for the lips. For lip liner, I'll be using L'Oreal's lip liner in the shade Truly Burgundy. And I'll actually be using this to line and fill my lips, so my lipstick wears better throughout the day. And then for lipstick, I'll be using Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lipstick in the shade Queen. I absolutely love how creamy this formula is, and I like that it has a glossy finish. And here's the finished look! I hope you guys like it. I had a lot of fun creating it. I usually don't go for makeup this bold, so it was really fun getting to experiment with darker colors. And I'm just really happy with how this came out. It's really glamorous, at least for me, but still soft. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and bye!